do. You thought these are nasty. This is the outfit for today. This top is from PacSun, I believe, but I thrifted it. It's like a dark green, you can't really tell. These jeans are from PacSun. They're like the paneled ones. I really like these. I think they're very fun. They're straight cut. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing these high top white Converse. I also have like lace, not lace. Ugh. I can't stand straight. They have like little ruffle socks on underneath, but you can't really see them. And then for my accessories, I just have my little shoelace belt on. And then I have this little choker that's like hearts. And then I also have some silver rings on. This one's the Pandora one. And this one's just like a cheap one from Forever 21. But let's go put some makeup on. Watch this, it's gonna be crazy. Oh, that lighting does not look good. Okay, we're gonna do different lighting for today. Nice. Oh, that's not nice either. Gosh. I mean, that's better. That's a lot better. Okay. But hey guys, so today I decided to do a little video, clearly, because that's what you're watching right now. I need a scrunchie. Should I match? Should I match? Is that just too much? That's too much. Okay, what was I saying? So today something very exciting is happening. Well, first off, I have a midterm. That's not the exciting part. That's actually the terrible part. I've been very stressed about it, kind of freaking out. It's like 6:30 right now. I usually wake up at like 7:30, but I knew I was gonna be stressed with filming this, and I also wanted to eat breakfast before I take my test. Usually I just wake up and like run for this class, but not today, guys, because I need to be very well prepared and not falling asleep and not hungry while I'm taking this exam. So first off, I have my midterm for my business law class, but after that, like straight after that, I have to rush over because I have a hair appointment, and I actually booked this a while ago, so it doesn't even feel like it's happening because I totally forgot about it, to be honest. But they send reminders, which is really helpful. So I got my little text reminder yesterday and I was like, oh shoot, I'm literally dyeing my hair tomorrow. So I'm really excited about it. But basically, I kind of have a bad history with dyeing my hair. I've cried at like the past two because I don't know, hair is a sensitive topic, I guess. I'm not sure. I just cry easily. So yeah, okay, but I've like dyed my hair a lot on my own without a professional, and this is the first time I booked an actual professional appointment and not been like super impulsive and tried to like do things on my own and then like ruin my hair and made it super orange. But I thought today it would be fun to bring you guys along with me with the process, you know, film this little transformation. Hopefully it goes well and I don't end up crying. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film there. I decided to make this whole like a little vlog for the whole day. Okay. Some things never change. Gosh. Okay. This is me cleaning my mascara off. There we go. Should I bring like a book or something for today? I'll bring a book because I'm gonna be a smarty. Usually I don't wake up this early. Usually I'm also not this talkative in the morning, but I like to really not be rushed, you know, in my mornings. Well, I mean, on my normal day-to-day mornings, I'm kind of freaking out typically. But for my exams, you know, I need to be in a good headspace for it. And as you can tell, I take my exams quite seriously here. Oh, sugar, honey, I see I forgot something. I'm literally running around everywhere. As you can tell, I'm a little discombobulated. But, you know, I have a very... I don't know what I'm trying to say. I like to have a routine before my exams. So I like to have a good amount of space in the morning. Plus, I really am like a morning person. I love having my time to like make a nice breakfast, literally sit down and eat it and like watch YouTube. That's when I do my stuff, you know. I really, really enjoy it. So I just woke up a lot earlier. I'm gonna make myself a beautiful breakfast and it's gonna be amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna make avocado toast because I'm a basic one of my like 2 breakfasts that I always make. I'm literally out of breath from running upstairs. ASMR for you, okay? Oh, where's my pan? I lost my pan. Is it not in here? I found it. I'm going to chop up some fruit. Oh yeah, baby. So this is my breakfast. I have my toast and then I have some fruit on the side. Hey guys, so I'm currently driving to school. I was gonna vlog like once I got there, but the traffic's really bad, so I don't think I'm gonna have time to vlog once I get there, so I'm just doing it now. I decided to leave the house a little early because I got ready so early, and I'm just gonna study like once I get there right before my midterm, just to make sure that, you know, I know my stuff. But the traffic is really bad, so hopefully I get there in time to study because I really kind of need the time. But yeah, so I think besides this, that's my little update. I'll catch you after my midterm. I'll let you know how I do. Fingers crossed that it goes well. Hi guys, so I finished my exam. I don't really know how it went. Just like a little stressed out about it still. Getting my hair dyed, so we're fine. I'm here a little bit early, so I'm just waiting in the parking lot, but I'm gonna go in a second. Oh, I can show you guys the picture, or like what I'm going for, I guess. I also want to show you, this is kind of just like my before. This is my hair before. It's actually pretty long. Since I'm wearing this black jacket, you can see how like discolored it is. You can see where my natural color is, which is black, and then down here is where I like bleached it and then tried to dye it back black like literally 10 times. So yeah, that's that, and it actually grew pretty long. It's like to my ribs ish. I'm not getting it cut or anything. I was supposed to get it cut before, but I forgot. Here, I will pull up the pictures of what I am going for. It's the pictures I sent them. Hopefully this doesn't take too long because I want to go home and do stuff. Actually, I don't know where to set this. Okay, so I have a few pictures of what I like. These are all from Instagram, by the way, I think, or Pinterest. I really like this one. I kind of want it to be lighter brown with highlights like that. I really like the highlight looks, not so much like a ombre, kind of a balayage. They said it's called like a, oh, ooh. I don't know, I like this photo a lot. Kind of like this, pretty ashy. I think this is my favorite photo. I'm kind of freaking nervous, yeah. Also, I didn't really update you on my quiz, not that anyone cares, but I was writing for like 2 hours straight, so I'm kind of brain dead right now. Okay, that was enough talking, and I'll see you guys in there. We're here. A little nervous.
But at your best, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
You guys ready for this? You ready? Huh? Sorry, I'm making a big deal. I'm really annoying. Hi, guys! Not gonna lie, I've kind of just been sitting here for the past, like, I don't know, 5 minutes, just taking pictures of my hair and stuff. But I am so excited. This is the finished look, the reveal. I love how this turned out. It's super, super ashy. I'll show you guys a little more at home probably, because I'm literally sitting in the parking lot right after I got out to show you guys, but I keep touching it. I love it. They curled it. It's so pretty. I think lesson learned. Don't try to dye your hair at home or go the cheap route, you know? Just go to a good place and you'll be happy and you won't cry so much, because I've cried at my last like 3 hair appointments. Not to be dramatic. Sorry, I've been touching my hair so much. I'm really annoying. I also made a TikTok. It was also like 5 hours long. I was really bored and my screen time is literally gonna be 15 hours again. That's gonna be really embarrassing. I brought a book. I didn't touch the book. I fell asleep like twice. Now I'm gonna go home, make some food because I'm freaking hungry. I will show you guys some more at home. Not gonna lie, probably gonna go take some selfies. So I'm gonna go home now because I've been sitting in this parking lot for too long. I look a little bit suspicious. Peace. Hey friends, so I'm putting you on a tripod right now. Hey guys, so I just got home. I'm gonna show you some more clips of my hair right now. This lighting's probably not as good. Very dark outside already, and then it's just my fairy lights. It's just very, very ashy, almost kind of gray. now. It's kind of like a balayage, and yeah, I think it's gonna take some getting used to. I don't know if this is a good angle, but this is what it looks like from the back. I'll also try to insert some photos, which will probably be better. All right, so this is my new hair. Let me know what you guys think. I keep staring at myself. I feel kind of conceited because I literally keep staring at myself and touching my hair, and it's kind of annoying. As I've said like 5 times already, I think it's gonna take some getting used to, but I really like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you a lot. Peace, deuces, bye, love and hugs.
I know it's getting late now, baby.